today we are going to see a very strange question, very funny question. Now, what I am asking you, can we prove 2 is equal to 1? Very strange. Can we prove 2 equal to 1? So let us start. Let us see what happens. Let a equal to b. Let a equal to b. It means that a square must be equal to a into b. Means what you are doing on left hand side, a into a square, and right hand side a into b, ab, because a and b are equal. Let us subtract b square from both sides of equation. What we get? We get a square minus b square equal to ab minus b square. Okay, everything is happening in a good manner. So when we factorize a square minus b square using identity, we get a plus b, a minus b, two brackets, a plus b in one bracket, a minus b in other bracket. And from right hand side we are going to take b as common, so b in bracket, what remains inside bracket, a minus b. Okay, so a plus b is equal to b in bracket a minus b, and the a minus b on the left hand side has been transferred to right hand side. It will divide b in bracket a minus b. So a minus b and a minus b will get cancelled. So what remains? A plus b is equal to b. Everything is legal. Everything is happening within the rules. So what happens? As a is equal to b, then what happens on the left hand side? It becomes a plus b, means b plus b, because value of a is equal to b, so b plus b is equal to b. It means that 2b is equal to b. So we are going to transfer that b on other side. So what happens? 2 is equal to b upon b, and you know that what happens when b is divided by b, the same number is divided by the same number, it becomes 1. So 2 is equal to 1. How it happened? It's strange, it's miracle. We know that it's not true, but how it happened is the $1 million question. So think and guess, and you can write your comments in the comment section. Okay, so I think I must give the answer, and you are a little puzzled how it happened. 2 cannot be equal to 1. We all know that 2 cannot be equal to 1, but in front of us we followed all mathematical procedure with rules, and we get the result 2 is equal to 1. So how it happened, and where was the loophole in entire calculation? Let us see. Look at this. A minus b is going to cancel the bracket a minus b. It looks simple and okay. A minus b is cancelling a minus b, and only b is remaining on the right hand side. It's okay, but look at here, a is equal to b. A is equal to b. It means that a minus b becomes 0. A minus b becomes 0, dear friends. And what happens? A minus b, when multiplied with b or any other number, it is 0 in the numerator here and 0 in the denominator. And what happens when you divide any number by 0? You will not get the answer. It means the right hand side, in this case, in this step, the right hand side is 0 divided by 0, and that's why the result is so surprising. We get a false result, 2 equal to 1. That's the reason. So what's about our question? Can we prove 2 equal to 1? No, we cannot prove 2 equal to 1, because 2 is not equal to 1. But one thing we can learn from here, that we cannot divide any number by 0, and we cannot expect the result will be the real number. It means that any number or 0 itself cannot be divided by 0 to get a real number. Okay, we will meet in the next video to see more interesting things about mathematics. Okay, bye.